In a world filled with chaos and noise, here's a precious gift we all hold within ourselves. The gift of peace.
Peace holds me when I'm broken. Sweet peace that passes understanding.
Today, on this International Day of Peace, we come together as one family to light the path towards a more peaceful world. Let us remember that peace starts with us. Peace is not just an absence of conflict, but a presence of compassion, empathy, and love. As we continue our journey, let us carry this message of peace within us every day. Happy International Day of Peace.